do a recipe of vegetable palow. For that I have taken different types of vegetables: peas 1 cup, 1 cup carrot, 1 cup potatoes, and 1 cup cauliflower, and 1 cup capsicums. I've taken 2 onions, 2 tomatoes chopped, and I have taken some spices. So let's start making this palav. After I have fried the onions, I'm going to add all these dried spices all together and simmer it for 2 minutes. After I put all the dried spices, I put 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. और now मैंने टमाटर डाल दिया. I put one tomato chopped, and I'm going to let it fry for a few minutes. With the tomatoes, I added all the vegetables except for the bell pepper. I've added all the vegetables. Now I'll add the spices. That I've taken is 1 teaspoon ginger, garam masala, half teaspoon salt. I've taken 1 chicken cube, so I have lessened down the salt. 1 teaspoon white pepper and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and this is going to go in the palav. I let this simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. I let the vegetable cook in the masala. Now I've added the bell pepper, and I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes. You can see that I have added 1.5 cup of soaked rice in this. You have to soak the rice, basmati or whatever rice, and I've mixed it with the curry. Now I'm going to add the water and let it boil. I'm going to add at least 3 cups of water because I've just taken 1.5 cup of rice. And I'm going to let it boil on high flame. See that the water is all evaporated, and now I'm going to let the rice simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on a very low flame. Vegetable palav is absolutely ready. Do give it a try, and please subscribe to my channel, guys.